Does your child go from chatterbox to stone silent the instant a room gets loud? White knuckle grip on your leg, begging you not to leave? You want them to grow emotionally resilient, but every new activity feels like another mountain of worry. What if one 20-minute ritual at your kitchen table could start turning that fear into confidence? A research team staged a showdown: pretend play, guided play, and hands-on art to see which one actually melts anxiety. Stick around. I'll reveal the champ and show you how to use it tonight. When anxious withdrawal locks your child behind an invisible wall, pep talks feel powerless. Let's see what science says really helps. Here's the setup. The researchers gathered 36 little worriers over 20 bite-sized sessions, about the length of a Bluey episode. One group did adult-guided pretend play, another free pretend play, a third splashed into art projects, and a fourth stuck to business as usual. Ready for the upset? Only the ART project kids showed a clear drop in anxious, withdrawn behavior. Pretend play, guided or free, barely budged the needle. Fun twist: kids who could focus for even a minute or two got the biggest calm-down boost. A timer or picture guide can turbocharge art time. Let's swap lab coats for aprons and walk through 5 parent-friendly art habits that build emotional resilience. 1. Create a corner. Pick a shelf or box for a creation station. Paper, paints, clay, whatever's handy. When your child chooses the supplies, they feel in charge. 2. Keep it short and regular. Shoot for 3 or 4 mini sessions a week, 20 minutes tops. We'll paint until the bell rings. Quick, predictable, straight from the study. 3. Be the curious guide. Swap paint a tree like this for, wow, lots of blue? What does blue feel like? Gentle curiosity shows it's safe to explore. 4. Let the materials speak. Tear, squish, swirl, big feelings pour out through busy fingers. Texture is a toddler therapist. 5. End with a feeling chat. Masterpiece drawing. Ask, tell me the story of your picture. Naming feelings keeps anxiety from bottling up and trains lifelong resilience. Simple art, powerful change. Grab the full study link below and hit subscribe for more science-backed parenting hacks, because every splash of paint today builds tomorrow's resilient heart. Mais eins,